Welcome back to my channel. A couple of hours ago I received a package from Premium Brand South Africa or Sony South Africa. Now this package is still sealed. I haven't opened it yet. I'd like to do it on this channel with you guys. It's going to be a first experience for me. This is the Sony Fx30 and a lens. I think it's the 16-35 f4 power zoom lens, and I'm very excited to actually test this unit out. So I'd like to thank them for actually sending me out this demo unit for testing and for review purposes. So before we get to the unboxing, just a quick backstory about myself. For those of you that don't know, for my 223,000 subs that I currently have, and if you're peeking down there at my subs, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So I'm a part-time photographer as well as an aspiring videographer. I currently shoot Sony as well as Fuji, and I can tell you that I absolutely adore both systems. So let's get into this video and start with the unboxing. Super excited, guys. Yeah, it looks like they put it in a carry pouch. Okay, so this must be the XLR top handle. Your battery and your charger. Oh, the lens. Now you can see the smile on my face. This is the 16-35 f4. Looks like it's power zoom. There we go. There's the lens, power zoom lens. Then the star of the show. This is my first unboxing on camera, by the way. Wow. You know what? It feels exactly like I thought it would feel. In my mind, I thought it's gonna be a lot smaller than what it actually is. You can tell this thing is built solid. Are we focusing? I think the ZVe10 is a bit jealous. He doesn't want to focus on this newbie. Don't worry, ZVe10 is going back in 7 days or 10 days, so he's not taking your place. Not at all. The sensor, APS-C sensor, nothing wrong with that. Record button, you've got your shutter release, you've got your zoom rocker. So like I said, this is my first hands-on with the Fx30. Unlike anything I've felt before, I've got a Sony a7 III there. This grip is solid. Okay, let's get a battery in here, and then what I think we're going to do, we're going to swap out, and I'm going to take off the ZVe10 and put on the Fx30 with maybe the Sigma 16 lens or with the lens that they've provided. Okay, so before I switch, I just want to show you guys what it looks like with the top handle as well as the lens. Is my ZVe10 focusing, or is she still jealous? I had to tell her that this one's going back in 7 to 10 days, but gee whiz, this thing feels lekker. So now we're on the Sony Fx30 with the Sigma 16 f1.4 at f1.8. This is being shot in S-Log3, not HLG as intended. I'm also only shooting in 420 8-bit and not the 422 10-bit codec. What I noticed out of the gate is the display quality or resolution on the Fx30 is so much better than the ZVe10, as well as the colors on the display and the brightness as well. So that's a wrap on this one, guys. I've still got this body for a couple of days going forward, so hopefully I can push out at least another 1 or 2 videos in the next coming weeks. So if you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out till the next one.